Early Eberspacher gas heater. This one's been recently restored. A quick startup. We have the factory switch. You pull it out just a little bit. It fires it right up. So this is the preheating stage where it's warming up. So the glow plug should be on, which is this guy right here. There it is. It's on. So the mechanical pump and the pressure regulator, you can see the little particles inside the glass globe there dancing. Click. There it goes. It'll click in here in another couple seconds. Click. So that pace is pushing gas through the jet from the fuel regulator from the mechanical pump. So it has like a back pressure kind of thing all the way leading up to the jet right here. So when everything's set up correctly and working, which is the diaphragm in here, diaphragm in the pump, you just hear that the heater just heated up enough to where now the glow plug is off. See, no power. So the heater is running full temperature right now. So I have the thermostat, which is these two wires right here. So when the thermostat gets hot enough, just like with the later heaters, this heater is set up to run for probably 60 seconds, a minute, minute 10, and then be off for 30 to 45 seconds as the thermostat cools down. Then it comes back on again for another 60 seconds. So what I've done is I've put the thermostat wires up to the toggle switch here, so it'll replicate the thermostat turning on and turning off. So when I turn it off, it'll starve the fuel. Now here don't rumble no more. There's no more power going to the pump over here. So let's say the thermostat then cools off enough and clicks back on. Now it gives fuel or power back to the fuel pump over here. And as you can hear, the fire starts up again. So it runs very similarly to the later type. The actual function is probably exactly the same as far as what it does, how it does it. It's just the delivery system of fuel is a lot different with the fuel regulator and the mechanical fuel pump. The older style switch like this runs almost exactly the same. It runs exactly the same as the later types, the plastic housing ones. If I was to pull, like I said, if I was to pull this all the way out and push it back in, then it activates the timer portion of this. If I'm pulling it out just a little bit, then it just allows you to turn the heater on normally. So if I turn it off, fuel's starving, gone. Now it's in cool down mode. And she's all done and cooled down. Ready to be shipped to John.